According to Soweto Local, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates compete for Tanzanian midfielder. A Tanzanian midfielder has received interest from both Soweto Giants. The Sia crew has been informed from insiders privy to information. After just a few games in the PSL since joining Chippa United at the beginning of the new season, Baraka Machokoro is already on the wanted list of the two Soweto Giants. Sokalatuma had previously noted the Chiefs may be monitoring the player, but the CIA sources have now indicated that Pirates could also be tracking him. CIA sources from both clubs have revealed how Pirates have shown interest in a 26-year-old defensive midfielder. At the moment, we can't really say where he will be going because both clubs have shown interest and nothing official has happened yet, but it's a good sign to have teams monitoring him. Yes, the source told Sokalatuma. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.